Alright guys, here's the HVAC Shenanigans complex revisited. Nothing's running right now, but not really gonna get too close yet. Alright, let's get close to these now. So here's the Heil. It's got a Goodman skull compressor. I don't think anyone. 2007. Looks like maybe a 2-ton. It's very faded. So there's this silver series. Lion scroll compressor. 2017 2.5 ton. Gentech fan motor, and it's not a heat pump. It's this one. It's a 2017 2.5 ton. And that has not been running. Yeah, Gentech fan motor. Lion skull compressor, and then this one's just the exact same. Alright. Hopefully that train got fixed. There's this other Heil. Goodman scroll. Yeah, 2007 2-ton, 16 seer. I meant 13 seer. Here's this Luxaire LX. Emerson Goodman scroll. 2019 2-ton. This other Luxaire LX. I believe, no, it has an Emerson. I would expect it to have a rotary, but I've looked into this before, so. 2020 1.5 ton. And here's the rotary Goodman. Yeah, the logo. Oh, sweet. The silver just kicked on. Anyway, here's the Goodman. And yeah, the logo got taken off, looks like. Yeah, 14.3 seer, not a heat pump. 2022 2-ton. Nobody's gonna be here because it's Sunday, but it's the Trane XRs. Lion scroll. 2021 1.5 ton. Yeah, same thing. 2018 2-ton. Yeah, this one's a heat pump, by the way. Where's that reversing valve? There it is. You can kind of see it. There it is. This one's a straight coil, but here's the Sentry real quick. I'll be kind of quiet, just in case anyone is here. Emerson. (2022) 2-ton, 2-stage, CH17, and it is a heat pump. Alright, I'll end the video down here. Something else fired up. Never mind. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.